everyone, let's talk about exploring the precision benefits of Pacor's digital melt flow index tester. When it comes to plastic manufacturing, accuracy in testing is everything, and one of the most important tests is the melt flow index, which tells us how easily a plastic material flows when melted. Pacor's digital melt flow index tester is designed to deliver that accuracy consistently, quickly, and without any manual hassle. Unlike older manual machines, this digital model comes with a smart interface. It controls the temperature precisely, times the test automatically, and shows results clearly on a digital display. This means you get fast, error-free readings every single time. It's perfect for testing plastic granules, films, bottles, or any polymer material. This machine is also fully compliant with international standards like ASTM D1238, making it ideal for both local and export level production. With Pacor's digital MFI tester, you reduce testing errors, improve quality control, and boost your lab's productivity. So if you are looking for a reliable, easy to use, and highly accurate melt flow index solution, Pacor's digital melt flow index tester is the tool your lab needs. For more information, visit pacorr.com and you can call us 888 214 9230.